Yakutia is not only one of the most unique regions in Russia, but also in the world. The size of the territory, mineral-rich soil, climate variance, and natural phenomena are a few examples of its distinctiveness. The Republic of Sakha-Yakutia covers an area of over 3 million square kilometers and occupies almost the entire northeast part of the Asian continent, equal to 1/5 of Russia. Its territory is twice the size of all of Western Europe. Yakutia is the largest administrative territorial unit in the world. Yakutia is underpopulated in comparison to the size of its territory. Today, less than 1 million people live in the Republic. The average population density is 10 times lower than in the European regions of Russia. Yet, Yakutia is considered to be the most diverse region. It inhabits over 140 different nationalities. Yakutia is Russia's coldest region. More than 40% of the territory of the Republic is located above the Arctic Circle, and almost the entire territory is in a permafrost zone. The winter period here lasts 9 months. Summer is short, but can be very hot and dry. This is due to the sharply continental climate. The coldest place of the Northern Hemisphere, Oymyakon, where the record temperature of 77.8 degrees below zero by Celsius was registered, is located in the territory of the Republic. Yakutia is considered to be the only place on Earth where people live and work at such low temperatures. Due to its size, Yakutia occupies as many as 3 time zones and 4 geographic zones: taiga forests, tundra, forest tundra, and the Arctic desert. Yakutia is one of the richest territories in Russia in terms of mineral diversity reserves. In its depths, you can find the entire periodic table. The diamond industry is the hallmark of Yakutia, making up 25% of global diamond production. The Republic of Sakha-Yakutia has accumulated a unique experience of farming in the extreme climate of the north. Yakutia accounts for 1/3 of the cattle population in the far north. The Republic holds a vast population of horse and deer and produces a rich harvest of grains, potatoes, and vegetables. As part of the municipal structure, the Republic includes 36 counties, 34 municipalities, and 2 urban districts. The composition of the municipal areas, in turn, includes urban and rural settlements, the total number of which is 409. The capital of the Republic is the city of Yakutsk, one of the oldest cities in Siberia, was founded in 1632. In 2017, the Republic of Sakha-Yakutia implemented the Local Support Program. This year, the project was attended by 66 settlements from 5 counties. The total cost of projects in 2017 year was around $785,000, including investments of the local budget amounted to $136,000, contributions from the population $92,000, also from extra budgetary sources $85,000. By 2018, public interest in the program increased significantly. All municipalities of the Republic are involved in the program. 451 applications from 353 municipalities were recognized as winners. The winners were dominated primarily by projects on construction, reconstruction of water and heat supply facilities, arrangement of sport facilities, landscaping, maintenance of roads. The total cost of the project in 2018 was $10.3 million. Of these, $7.5 million came from the state budget of the Republic. As many as $1.5 million came from local budgets, $766,000 of contributions from the population, and $542,000 came from sponsors. After 2 years of implementation of the Local Support Program, the residents of Yakutia have demonstrated great interest in solving important and urgent problems of the settlements. Direct participation of the population in the selection and implementation of projects creates fertile ground for the formation of a civil society and the strengthening of democratic principles.